class. Today I am going to tell you about participle. So, what's the participle? In English grammar, a participle is a verb from that function as an adjective. That function as an adjective modifying a noun or pronoun is called participle. In English grammar, a participle is a verb from that function. Participle functions as an adjective. Okay, participle function as an adjective but modifying a noun or pronoun is called participle. So participle modifying a noun or pronoun. Here I am going to write example. For example, uh, a running boy, a running boy, uh, developing country, a running boy, a developing country. So here, running is a participle, is modifying an adjective. So here is modifying an adjective here, adjective. So developing is also called participle. So here, developing is also called a participle. Developing is a participle. Country is a noun. Here, boy is called noun, and developing is a participle. Okay, running is also called a participle. Basically, there's three types of participle: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Now here I'm going to write present participle. One by one I am going to write three examples of participle. Number one, present participle. Present participle. Past participle. Perfect participle. Perfect participle. Present participle, past participle, perfect participle. So what's the present participles? Okay, where present participle are those participle where we will use first form of the verb ing. Okay, in words we will use suffix ing. In gerund, as some students can't differentiate between a participle a gerund because but I am going to tell you one more thing. Participle has a specific types: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. These are specific types of participle. So present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Now one by one I am going to tell you about what's the present participle, past participle, perfect participle. In present participle, verb first form plus ing. Okay, verb first form plus ing. If I will say a running boy. So here running is called present participle because we did use ing with running. Okay, so running boy. So here running is also called the adjective modifying as use function as an adjective. Here participle always function as adjective. You need to understand participles always functions like an adjective. So in gerund In gerund, there is no function. There is no function of adjectives in gerund, but in participle, participles functions as an adjective. Participle function as an adjective. So here, running is called adjective, and runnings also is called a participle. Okay. So here, boy is called a noun. Modifying. So here, adjective modifying noun. Adjective modifying noun. You must see the adjective. You must see a noun or pronoun with adjective. Noun or pronoun with adjective. So our participle. Here, running is adjective. Adjective plus participle. This is boy or running boy. If here pronoun, then also is a called a participle. So it's a present participle, a developing country or developing country. So here country is called noun. Country is called noun, and developing is called present participle. Developing is called present participle. But you also, one thing you need to understand, verb first form plus ing. First form plus ing in present participle. In present participle, verb first form plus ing, and must be noun or pronoun with part. Now I am going to tell you about past participle. Past participle. Past participle. So what's the past participle? Past participle verb third form plus ed. Plus ed is called past participle. In present participle, we do see a developing country. So here in past participle, we will write a developed country. A developed country. So here develop is called past participle because we did use ed. And third form of the verb develop. You know, developed is the third form of the verb. So is called a past participle. A developed country. If I will say, she injured me. She injured. So here injured is called past participle. Here injured is called past participle. I'm going to write one more example. I saw a broken. So here you need to understand, I saw a broken glass. So here broken is called a adjective. Broken function as an adjective. And broken is a past participle and modifying a noun, which is glass. Modifying a noun, which is glass. I saw a broken. Broken is called a past participle. Is function as an adjective. And modifying a noun, which is glass. I hope you understand what's the past participle. Now I am going to tell you about perfect participle. Participle having plus third form of the verb. Having plus third form of the verb. Third form of the verb is called perfect participle. Having plus third form of the verb. Third form of the verb is called perfect participle. Perfect participle. If I'm going to write example, having eating a food, having eating the food, he slept. Having eating the food, he slept. You know, having plus third form of the verb. Having plus third form of the verb. Eating is a third form of the verb. So having is called a perfect participle plus third form of the verb. Having eaten the food, he slept. Having, if I will say, having written a letter, she came out. Having written a letter, having eaten the dinner, he came out. Having eaten the dinner, she slept. Having, there's a many uses of having. So having plus third form of the verb is called perfect participle. If I will say, she, if I will say, having finished her homework, having finished her homework, she went out. Having finished her homework, she went out to play. Okay, having finished. Finish is the third form of the verb. Having is called a participle plus third form of the verb. Her is called pronoun. Okay, modifying as noun or pronoun. So here, modifying as noun or pronoun is called participle. Okay, here her is called a pronoun. Having finished her homework, she went out to play. Having eaten the food, food here is called a noun. Okay, having eaten the food is called noun. Food is called here noun. Food is called here noun, and her is called pronoun. Her is called pronoun. Modified participle modifying a noun or pronoun is called perfect participle. I hope you understand what's the meaning of participles, how many types of participles. If you have any confusion, then you can ask questions, and I will upload many more videos for you. Stay blessed.